Hello guys, I'm back with another video. I know it is a bit late video, but believe me, I was so damn busy with my routine. If I will get time, then I'll share my routine with you, but it's okay. So yeah, please sorry for that. But now as you can see, actually the book is here. I'm going to review this book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling. Well, it's the first book of the Harry Potter franchise. It has total like 8 films and 7 books, right? 8 films and 7 books, right? And let me tell you the order first of reading this book, which is in this book itself, which is here. I remembered these because these films are very close to my heart. First is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, then Chamber of Secrets, then what was that? A Prisoner of Azkaban, Goblet of Fire, Order of the Phoenix, and then Order of the Phoenix, the Half-Blood Prince, Deathly Hallows for the books. And if you go by the movies, yes, there are movies on this book franchise. Particularly, this is a very famous franchise, and like our just childhood went with Harry Potter. Like, I just love Harry Potter, though I didn't know it for much time. But when I was at 10, I think one of my friends suggested this to me, and I began reading and seeing the movies. I at first saw the movies, and I'll recommend you too for that. Now why? Because when you're reading and you're just beginner, considering that you are a beginner, you can't imagine things that are written here, right? So it's better if you see the movies. It has Hindi dubs and many languages dubs it has. See the movie and then read the book. You read at least 1 to 2 pages, and then when things get interesting, you will read on. This is the first book. This is really the first book through which I began reading. This was one of my sister's book. Like, my sister, she gave me this book, and it really means a lot to me. Like, this was the book for which I started reading, and this was the first book. After this, I got some interest. Like, when I was at the middle of the book, I think got some interest, though I knew what would happen because I saw the movie. Even then, I kept reading on this, and finally, after many days, I completed this. I think it took me 1 month to complete this book. How many pages does it have? It has somewhat 331. You can consider 350 pages. So yeah, I know it is a big book, but you can try it, of course. And the last part, like, many people say Harry Potter is children's book. What is it? Who are you? Like, literally, who are you? Because, like, there is something. I won't give a spoiler. Let me try to not give a spoiler. Like, at the end, there is a character, Professor Snape. Like, if you know what happened with him, that's not kiddish or childish. That's a serious thing, or that's a mature enough concept for anyone to understand, right? Now, this is not mature enough concept. I think 5 years plus can read this book. For India, I think it would be 10 plus, because, like, not in this one, but if you start the franchise, there are many scenes which, like, especially in the Order of the Phoenix, right? I remember there were some scenes, or there was some content which was a bit adulterated, but not that adulterated. It's 12 plus, 13 plus. You get to know things by that time. Like, I won't say, like, you just getting me wrong. Okay, you don't think that it's 18 plus content, but it's 15 plus content, hardly 12 plus content. That's very common. Like, they're just kissing, and that's the thing. But these books have really an emotional place for each and every character, especially Snape. I'm not going to say the main reason for this. I have a photo, like, behind this. I don't think you can see. Yeah, that pink and blue one, which I drew. Yeah, that one, that has written always in it. I'll attach a pic to this. That I drew after this one, and like, it's too good. The like at first when Harry goes to the school, he comes to know about new ideas of magic, what is magic, and Hagrid takes him, and then at the end we understand why did Voldemort just like break into pieces or vanish or destroy while he touched Harry. Many things, and the main central theme I think of everything is of the whole series is love is the purest form of magic, and this is a really mature concept, due to which I told that it's not a childish content. I'll make a separate video on this after completing the review of all this book series with spoilers, why this is not a child read, why it is an, I would say, mature read, adult read, emotional read. So yeah, and if you want me to read this book, well, it has a special part of my heart, because this brought me into reading. But if I don't consider that part, then I will rate it 4 out of 5. Now why did I deduct 1 star? I deducted 1 star because if someone is beginner, which I told before, he or she couldn't imagine the things like Harry running between like the magical express, and then running between the walls. Then there are many things actually which I don't want to spoil this one, but the magics that they do, and especially the emotional bonding between Harry, Ron and Hermione is too good. It's damn relatable. The thing is, it's damn relatable, and it's too funny. And yeah, I think this is a must read, and this is a very popular novel, so I think you must read it. Bye. But like the video, share the video, subscribe the video, and I don't know why, but the comment section is turning off each and every time when I upload a video. I don't know, it's a YouTube glitch. It's not happening with me, but everyone whom I spoke to. So please deal with it. I will also attach my Instagram ID, which you can search and then get my ID. I didn't find the link how to find it, being honest. I couldn't find the link to attach, that's why I will just give my username. And yeah, you can DM me your thoughts, how you like the video, what content do you want to make. I have planned some videos which are going to be the review of all the things, and then which I told you why Harry Potter is not a childish read. And then please DM me for new concepts. Bye for now.